Question number 15. Find the average mean number of the patients attending the hospital in a month using the shortcut method. Take assume mean as 45. Give your answer correct 2 decimal places. Number of patients, that is class interval, and number of days, that is frequency Fi. Ten to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. Frequency is 5, 2, 7, 9, 2, and 5. Mid value, that is xi. 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15, and 25, then 35, 45, 55, and 65. It's given assume mean as 45. A is equal to 45. So di is equal to xi minus a. (15 minus 45 equal to minus 30). 25 minus 45 equal to minus 20. 35 minus 45 equal to minus 10. 45 minus 45 equal to 0. 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. And 65 minus 45, that is equal to 20. Fi di. Fi into di. 5 into minus 30, that is equal to minus 150. 2 into minus 20, minus 40. 7 into minus 10, minus 70. 9 into 0, that is 0. 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. And 5 into 20, 100. Summation Fi di equal to positive, that is 120. 100 plus 20 is 120. And sum of negative number, that is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 7, 16. And that is 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 260. Minus 260 plus 120, that is equal to 6 minus 2, 4, and 1, and negative. Minus 140. And sum of frequency Fi equal to 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 plus 5, that is equal to 30. By shortcut method. mean, that is x dash equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi, that is equal to a is 45 plus summation fi di is minus 140 divided by sum of frequencies 30, 0, 0 is cancelled, which implies mean x dash equal to 45 minus 14 upon 3. 14 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, 2.0, 3 6 are 18, then 2, 0, 6 6 6 6 approximate value, which implies 45 minus 4.67. So 45.00 minus 4.67 equal to 10 minus 7 is 3 and 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 4, that is 40.33. So mean equal to 40.33. Answer. Number of patients, that is class interval, is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. And number of days, that is frequency fi 5, 2, 7, 9, 2 and 5. And their sum equal to 30. Sum of frequency equal to 30. Mid value is 10 plus 20 upon 2, that is equal to 15. And then 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. And it's given, assume mean a is equal to 45. Let a is equal to 45, then di is equal to xi minus a. 15 minus 45 is minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Then fi di, fi into di. Minus 30 into 5 is minus 150, 2 into minus 20 is minus 40, and 7 into minus 10 is minus 70. And sum of negative number, that is equal to minus 260. 0 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 10 is positive 20. 5 into 20 is 100. And sum of positive number, that is equal to 120. Minus 260 plus 120, that is equal to minus 140. So FIDI equal to minus 140. By shortcut method, mean x dash equal to a plus summation FIDI upon summation FI. A is 45 plus FIDI is minus 140 upon 30. 0, 0 is cancelled, and 14 divided by 3, we get approximate value 4.666, that is 4.67 approx. And 45 minus 4.64, we get 10 minus 7 is 3 and 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4, 4 minus 4 is 0 and 4 as it is. So mean is equal to 40.33. Answer. Thank you.